My name is Scott Palermo.
And I am James Zanak, and we are with Park Desert Homes in beautiful Palm Springs, California.
Welcome to our newest listing located at 3092 Linea Terrace. This special property is tucked away in South Palm Springs, located in the private gated community known as Linea.
Behind the white steel gates of Linea, a private, massive driveway fronts their dramatic louvered facade. Through the sweeping glass entry door, an expanse over 1,200 square feet of living, dining, and entertaining spaces appears with opposing sidewalls of glass, bringing the outdoors indoors.
Every aspect of this special property has been thoughtfully created to create the ultimate in comfort and luxury.
A secret door from the pantry leads to a see-through, temperature-controlled wine room with custom floor-to-ceiling wine towers. The media room is ready to entertain with state-of-the-art electronics.
A primary bedroom and bath oasis of privacy features a steam shower and semi-private vanities.
This modernist-style home was designed by Los Angeles' award-winning architect, Anthony Poon. The property is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home with almost 5,000 square feet of living space.
A pocket door opens to the green of the grass, stars in the black sky, and soft orange flame of the monolithic fire pit. The theme here is peace, calm, and serenity, and the time and place to enjoy it.